Assalamu alaikum students. In this video you are going to learn about highest common factor or otherwise HCF. This topic is usually suitable for class 3 and class 4 students. So those of you who are watching this video, if you are in class 3 and class 4, this video will be very helpful for you. What does HCF actually mean? So in case of HCF, first of all, we have to learn about factors. What does factor mean? In mathematics, factors means the numbers that can divide a number. The numbers that can divide a number. Suppose you have 6. The numbers that can divide the number 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6 itself. 6 1 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 1 6 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. In the other hand, if we take another number, for example, we have 20. The numbers that can divide 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 itself. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 are the factors of 20. So what does common factor mean? Common factor means when you have two numbers, suppose you have 20 and 12, and you are writing the common factors, you are writing factors of them. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. And in case of 12, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 20. The numbers that you have in common in both of the factors, those are the common factors, like 1, 2, 4, and nothing else. So what are the common factors of 20 and 12? Common factors CF. Common factors of 20 and 12 are 1, 2, 4. These are the common factors of 20 and 12. What does this mean? These both numbers can be divided by these numbers. If you take 5, the 5 cannot divide 12. If you take 3, 3 cannot divide 20. That's why it is not in common factors. So what does highest common factor mean? Now let's come to highest common factor. What does highest common factor mean? The highest common factor means in this factor set, the number that is the highest, the greatest, that is the highest common factor. So it is 4. That is the greatest number that can divide both of this number. That is why this is called highest common factor. For example, if you take another 3 numbers, like we have 12, 24, and 30. Let's write down their common factors. In case of 12, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. In case of 24, we have all of this, and also we have 24. In case of 30, what do we have? We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15, and 30. So what are the common factors of these numbers? So what are the common factors of these numbers? Common factors means the number that is common in 3 of the sets. So 1 will be common in any numbers. 2 is common in all of them. 3 is common in all of them. 4 is not common in all of them, so we cannot take 4. 6 is common in all of them, so 6 is so these 3 are the common factors of these 3 numbers. What is the highest common factor? Highest common factor is the number that is the greatest in the common factors. So 6 is the highest common factor in all of them. 6 is the highest common factor. So how can you figure out the highest common factor mathematically? Let's try that one. So in case of solving the highest common factor mathematically, if we take the previous numbers again, 12, 24, and 30, let's find out the highest common factor of 12, 24, and 30 in the mathematical way. You write down these numbers 24, 30. Figure out the smallest prime number that can divide all of them. 2 can divide all of them, as all of them are even numbers. 2 6 are 12, 2 12 are 24, 2 15s are 30. What else? You cannot divide it by 2 now because you have 15. You have to guess a number that can divide all of them. You have to guess a number that can divide all of them, and that is 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Is there any other number that can divide all of them? No. If you take 2, that can only divide these 2, but not this one. So there is no other number left that can divide all of them now. So now you will take these numbers and multiply them. This will be the highest common factor. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So this is the easiest way to figure out the highest common factor. This is for today, students. You have learned how to figure out highest common factor. I hope this will be very helpful for your study. Get down in the comment section and tell me what else kind of mathematical problem are you facing. I will try to solve them for you.